Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho email with Shopify. First, log into your Zoho mail control panel. You'll need to verify your domain ownership there. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this step. Once verified, locate and copy the specific DNS records Zoho provides. These records are crucial for integrating your email with your Shopify store, so keep them handy for the next stage of our setup. Now, let's move over to your Shopify store. Log into your admin dashboard and go to the Settings menu, then select Domains. Choose the domain you want to connect with Zoho Mail. Here, you'll add the MX records you copied earlier from Zoho. This step tells the internet where to send emails for your domain, directing them to Zoho's servers. Next, we'll add the SPF and DKIM records. These are vital for email authentication and deliverability. Go back to your Shopify DNS settings and add the SPF record provided by Zoho. Then, add the DKIM record. These records help email providers confirm that emails sent from your domain are legitimate, significantly reducing the chance of them landing in spam folders. Finally, it's time to verify everything. Go back to your Zoho mail control panel and check the DNS verification status. It might take a little while for the changes to propagate, perhaps up to 24 hours. Once verified, send a test email from your new Zoho address to another email account. Then, reply to that email to ensure both sending and receiving are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.